Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how you can create a Google Analytics 4 account and how you can set up that your Google Analytics 4 account on a website. What is the essence of Google Analytics 4? Google Analytics 4 is a tool that was created by Google for you to collect data of your customers or your website visitors. That's what Google Analytics 4 is built for. If you are running marketing campaigns, you have a lot of traffic on your website, you need to see the behavior of people. You need to see how people are performing on your website. So Google Analytics 4 will help you do that. So if you want to create a Google Analytics 4 account, go to Google Analytics 4, type Google Analytics 4 on your Google browser, on your Chrome browser, and it will take you to somewhere here. Type Google Analytics 4. Once you type Google Analytics 4, you see something like this. You see sign in into your account, then you sign in into your account. You see this. So once you click, when you come to this place, you click on get started. When you click on get started, it will take you to somewhere around here where you can create your account. So what we need to do first is to click on create account here. You click on create account. Once you click on create account, so you create your account first. Let's create the account that we want to connect with our website. So this is our account name, which is required. You can tick this and select this also. Then you click on next. Once you click on next, you need to give your property a name. You can also give it the name of your account. But if you can have several property under one Google Analytics account. So property, can you see, create a property to measure your web and app data. Create a Google Analytics 4 property. Each property you create holds all your measurement data for any selection of website and apps. It is under property that you collect data for specific app, for specific websites that you want to connect to your account. So in Google Analytics 4, a property is under an account. So reporting time zone. So if your time zone is UK, you change it. So the currency is, the essence of this currency they are asking for here is for you to, if you set up conversion so that Google will be able to report conversion in your currency. So that's it. If your reporting time zone is UK or Nigeria, change it here. So the next thing I need to do is to click on next. Then you come to select industry. You need to select your industry. So I will select one industry, let's say internet and telecom. Then small, we have 1 to 10 employees. Yeah, so that's, you select the size of your business, then you click on next. So what you need to do next is to click on one of these. Just select one of these. Then you select create account. So once you create account, it will give you, for you to accept terms and conditions, you click on accept. Then your account is now created, account from property created. So the next thing you need to do now is to connect your website. If it's an Android app, you connect your Android app to Google Analytics 4. If it is iOS, you connect it. For now, we'll click on skip. So once we click on skip, we click on go home now. So just click on go home. Then this is our Google Analytics 4 account that we just created. So how can you now connect that Google Analytics 4 to your website so that it will start collecting data for your website? This is a WordPress tutorial. So if you want to connect Google Analytics 4 to your WordPress account, we will be using, for the sake of this video, we'll be using a plugin. So you come to log into the back end of your website and go to plugins. So you click on under plugins, you select add new. Once you select add new, you come to HFCM. That's the name of the plugin we are downloading. So this is the name of the plugin we are using, header footer code manager. So you click on install, then you select activate. Once you activate the plugin, then you are good to go. So the next thing you need to do now, is to go to installed plugins. When you go to install plugins, you see the plugin we just set up. You see header footer and code manager. Then you come to settings and general page. Once you come to settings and general page, you see HFCM. This is the plugin. So for you to connect your Google Analytics 4 account to your website, you come to this plugin and click on add new snippets, because we are adding new code to our website. You click on add new snippets. Click on under this plugin here, click on add new snippets. Then so this is where we are setting it up. You give your snippet a name, Google Analytics 4. Under snippet type, you leave this as HTML. Under site display, you leave it as site wide. You leave this, and the instruction, leave this location to be header, and device, let it show on all devices. So you go back to your Google Analytics 4 account, you come back, you go to admin here. Once you come to admin, scroll down under admin and go to data streams. Go to data stream and choose web, because we are putting it on a website. Click on web. Then you put in your website here. So let me type in your website. So let me type in my website here. So give your website a name here. Then you click on create stream. It's going to create a stream for your website. Then you will now you see data collection isn't active for your website. If you install tags more than 48 hours ago, so let's come back here. If you install tags more than 48 hours ago, make sure they are correctly set up. So the next thing you need to do in this case is to click on view tag instructions. If you select view tag instructions, you click on install manually. Then this is the code we want to install. This is our Google Analytics code. Then you copy this code and paste this code under snippet here. Paste this code under snippet here. Then you click on save. With that, we have been able to install Google Analytics on our website. So let's load this website up. Let's open this website in a new tab, and let's use the Google Tag Assistant tool. Let's use the Google Tag Assistant. This is install Google Tag Assistant Legacy. This is the tool that we will use to debug if Google Analytics is on our website or not. So the next thing you need to do is to click on enable and click on record. So this tool will help us debug if the Google Analytics we set up is working. If you come to this code here, the code of our Google Analytics ends with CJYN. So let's come to this place and look for. So let's cancel this recording and reload this page. So if you come to, can you see that Google Tag Assistant can see a tag on our website now? So let's click on it. So can you see Google Analytics CJYN? So that's how you can install Google Analytics on your website. So if you see CJYN here, if you come to your Google Analytics 4 account, you see that this ends with CJYN, and that's how you can install Google Analytics on your website. This is a way you can use to do it if you are using WordPress website. There are other ways. You can also use Google Tag Manager to put Google Analytics on your website, but I'm showing you this way as it is easy and also it is seamless, and that plugin is working effectively. If you have any questions, drop your question in the comments below this video. I'm going to provide answers to your questions. Thank you for watching this video.